In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode in Microsoft Outlook email on Windows. If you've ever found yourself struggling with reading emails in low light or simply prefer a lighter interface, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the process of switching from dark to light mode, ensuring your Outlook experience is comfortable and visually appealing. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows computer. Once you've got the application up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. Here, you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Outlook menu where a variety of options are available for you to customize your experience. What's important for us today is the Options button. Give that a click to enter a more detailed settings menu for Outlook. Within this settings menu, you will see a list on the left-hand sidebar. From this list, you'll want to select General. This is where many of the personal settings you can configure are located, so go ahead and click on General and you'll be one step closer to disabling dark mode. In the window that appears, look for a section called Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. It might sound a bit techy, but all it really means is that you're going to tailor the appearance of the software to your liking. In this section, focus your attention on the Office theme drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reveal a few options for you to choose from. Here, you have decisions to make. Among the options provided, you'll find white and colorful. If you prefer a crisp and clean look, you might want to go with white. Alternatively, if you like a bit of vibrancy without the darkness, colorful could be the right choice for you. Just select the one that suits your taste by clicking on it. With your preferred theme selected, the final step in this process is crucial. Click the OK button. This will confirm your choice and apply the theme change to your entire Outlook application. This includes the reading pane and the background, all of which will now be in light mode. And there you have it. You have successfully transitioned your Outlook from dark mode to light mode, making it brighter and possibly more visually pleasing. With this new setting, navigating through your emails can now be a lighter and more straightforward experience. Remember, you can always revert to dark mode if needed by following these same steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new look of your Outlook.